ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rajhapi ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Rakkam Sangma ubalong menteri ke sorkar jela bapa ikatnat puli puthi Kular ban Pynïoh daka building ke Thymmai haka jinglet jingo ek Ophis Deputy Inspector of School jong ka South West Castles District haringkat ke jing senran lang jong MLE kamau kurat constituency uba Renikton El Tongkar ha kani ke jinglet jingo ya kani ke Ophis Rakkam haka arab khanda trek unailur arajar pulai menteri katnat puli puthi ulalap bakani ke Ophis Rakkam ke bapa ikatnat puli puthi hapo ke district kalajot nalor bakalong ke bakapnya.
Today, in the presence of Honorable MLA from Makorwat, we have just come to see the condition of the buildings and the entire administration of our SDSU and DSU office here today. And we have seen the condition. It looks like it needs immediate attention. Government will do the needful. Will see the matter. And like what I feel like the SDSU, DSU, all this education building should have a good one. So what I feel, and we will do the needful in days to come.
Honorable Minister has come to visit this office of DSU and SDSU as well, and I'm very happy also that he has expressed his concern that he understands the need of the hour to get a proper building out here. So we hope that in very soon we'll get the sanction, and we have requested the department also to send a proposal to include the building of DSU and SDSU as well, and in the same roof we hope we'll get these two offices, which is very important for education.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.